Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege and you keep getting this error, your computer is crashing with this error, BEDaisy.sys, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer easily. So first off, this problem occurs when you have multiple anti-cheats installed on your computer. So for example, if you have Valorant or League of Legends Vanguard, or if you have Face It anti-cheat from Counter-Strike installed on your computer, you're just gonna have to either uninstall or just disable them when you're playing Rainbow Six Siege. So come here, right click on Face It anti-cheat or Vanguard and just click exit. And after it's closed, now you're gonna open up your task manager by right clicking on your taskbar, clicking task manager, search here for Riot Vanguard, and if you don't have it running, then now you can go ahead and play Rainbow Six Siege and you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that blue screen of death with error BEDaisy.sys anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.